Welcome to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. Today I'm out fishing on a lake in the Columbia mountain range. It's a beautiful day. It took me a while to get here and I was fishing along the way. I got one rainbow, but it's a small guy and it's really good fishing up here, so hopefully we'll get a couple. Alright, so let's just put a worm on the hook. Now let's do some casting. It's a bit of a wavy day, but as you can see here, there's a log sticking out and I just kind of anchored there, put my rope on it. Not the end of the world at all. So now let's reel this guy in. Oh no, you got one of these tangles from hell. Oh, what happened here? All right, so in my last cast, as I was reeling in, I saw a pretty big bull trout following my lure, so we'll see what happens. Oh, I just had a bite. Ooh. Oh, I had a nibble. Let's go for it. The time is now. I should have brought the fly fishing rod. Oh no. Damn. I just had a bite, got off. I got a good feeling that this cast is gonna be the one. Whew. Come on, fish. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Just so you can see the fish here. Checking it out. This is the one. I can feel it. I can really feel it. I got my two rods going. I've gotten multiple bites, but still on this whole fishing trip, only one fish, but that's fine. When I was here last time, I got a lot of bites down here. So this is a really cool spot here. Not gonna get out or anything. That's an incredible tree. Wow. So there's wetlands over there and a sandbank over here. So nice. Fishing. Just got a bite. Oh, got a quick snag there, but it unsnagged itself, which was very nice. So I'm heading out into this deeper channel, looking to get some fish very soon. Oh, I think I might be getting some bites there, or is that this? Ooh, that's hard to say. No, I don't think that's a bite. Probably weeds. Oh. Oh, here we are, finally in the deeper waters. Oh, this could be bad. This could be bad.